Welcome to our channel. Virgin Media Wi-Fi not working? Try these solutions. Check the cables, look behind the router, make sure that the white coax cable and power cord are tight. Loose cables cause half the problems people blame on Wi-Fi issues. Restart the hub, it may sound obsolete but it works. Pull the plug, leave it off for about 30 seconds, then power it back. It clears temporary glitches more often than not. Look at the lights. On Virgin's Super Hub, the lights tell you what's happening. Solid white means good. Flashing green or red light is bad. Take note before you call support, they'll ask. Test with Ethernet, grab a laptop or PC, plug it straight into the router with a cable. If wired internet works fine, it's not Virgin's line. It's Wi-Fi range or interference. Move the hub. Routers shoved in cupboards or behind TVs is a bad idea. Get it out in the open. Walls, metal, and microwaves hinders Wi-Fi electromagnetic waves. Split 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz. Virgin hubs usually bundle them under one name. Sometimes devices get stuck on the wrong band. Log into the hub settings, give them different names, and try reconnecting. Check for outages, go on Virgin's service status page or Twitter. If there's an area-wide fault, no amount of fiddling at home will fix it. Reset the hub, hold the little pinhole reset button for about 10 seconds. It wipes custom settings, puts it back to factory defaults. Works when firmware's messed up. Watch for interference. Cordless phones, baby monitors, Bluetooth speakers all can screw with Wi-Fi. Switch them off temporarily and see if things improve. Call support. If none of the above helps, call Virgin. Sometimes it's a line fault, sometimes your hub's just dying. At least when you've tried the basics, you won't waste time doing the same steps. Thank you for watching.